Hi friends, welcome to Tutors Funny channel. Today I bring the video of uh, checkbox example of Java. You can see here a simple checkbox example. This is a simple bakery. If you select the bun, click order. You have selected bun 60 rupees. Okay. So if it is a roll, here you have select the roll, the appropriate price. If it is a cake, you select as an appropriate price. It's okay. It's simple. We have designed this form. So I'm going to go to new project, select Java and with Java application next. You have to click create main class, you have to uncheck it. You have to create here bakery. A simple program. So here this one, you have to default package, you have to GFA form, you have to write bakery shop. Simple. So what are the things we have to arrange the form size little bit look like this. First time what I'm going to select this one, right click properties, code generate center. After that what I'm going to do is you have to right click properties, so select this one source, control F, find the UI, that's a UI, press enter key. Here say this one's metal. Okay, now I'm going to drag one group box. So it's a panel, you have to drag it one panel. This panel I'm going to right click properties, border size has been bevel border. Okay, so here this one you have to arrange look like this. So we have to write label bakery system. Right click properties, bold 18, let's get the size bigger, 24. This look like fine, it looks fine. Now what I'm going to drag it there. Check boxes, first one, this one check boxes, this one I'm going to name it as bun. Second, this one copy and paste it below. This one should be the rolls. After that, third one, copy this, paste it here. This one is paste. First one segment CHK bun. Second one, this one should be the CHK rolls. Third one, you have write it as CHK paste. I need one box button. Click OK. Properties 40. Okay. Now let's run the application check. A simple application. Now what you're going to do is select this button, event action perform. The way you have to write the code. First you have to make the price. So you have to write the price double. You write price. Second you have to check it. If CHK is bun dot selected dot is selected. Okay, yeah, I have written the code. Is selected. Okay, write selected here. Write the simple code. Selected. The one is selected. Price I am give as 50 j option pan show message dialog. This, okay, you have write it here as a messages. You have selected bun, this one. You have selected as bun, the price, what is the price of the bun. This is the information of message box. Second one, else if you select as roll, price is 40, roll. Otherwise you write the price should be 30. This one should be the paste. Simple. Okay, bun, roll, paste. Now let's click on execute the program. You can see here, if you click bun, you have select as a 50 rupees here, 50. So this is one should be our here you can see here, this is our title. The title means this is the title. This information means this is the information symbol of the button message box. This is the information symbol. Okay, so you have to consider this is the title, bakery shop. This is the information symbol. This is the text where you can write it. You have selected. This is the price. What is the price? You have put it over here. This price will be coming here. So when you select the bun, the appropriate price will be displayed. When you select rolls, the appropriate price will be selected. Okay, that's how the things works. Okay, very simple. So now I want to do another simple stuff. Is you click on this, you make the title, properties, your title. This one, this also your title, bakery shop. Bakery shop. So I have made lot of advanced program, advanced program below my video description. This code and my advanced programming of how to make this, all the checkbox validation, everything. You just go through my video description. You will be able to find more example of related this example. Thank you for watching.